The top 5 credit card bonuses. What are they and how much are they actually giving away? So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So we've covered a lot about credit cards here, and one of the credit cards or the best credit cards to have are those that come with no annual fees, gives cash back and rewards for all your spending. And then even with all that, they still give you a sign-up bonus, which could be as much as $500. So you can actually get a credit card for free, get a sign-up bonus for free, get cash back on all your purchases for free, and if you pay your bills on time, you pay no interest, and you get away with it. So before I talk about the top 5 credit card bonuses, let me just say that sometimes you may read about an offer online or someone may tell you about it and it doesn't work out to be what you read or what they told you. So for instance, let's say I reviewed a credit card and I told you guys that the sign-up bonus for the card was $900. You get excited and you go sign up for the card, but when you do that, you realize that they're only offering you a sign-up bonus of maybe $150 because of the state that you're in, and the $900 bonus only applies to a few states. So I could be in Texas and telling you guys to sign up for a card that gets you cash back or gets you a cashback bonus of $900, and you're in New York, and when you try to sign up for it, you realize that you either get less as a bonus or you don't get a bonus at all. There's a way around that, and I'll let you guys know in just a little bit. And also with these credit card bonuses, you don't just sign up for the card and instantly get them. Usually that isn't the way it works. You'll have to spend a certain amount of money in a certain amount of time to qualify for that bonus. So for instance, you may have a card that gives you $500 as a sign-up bonus, but to be able to actually get that sign-up bonus, you must first spend $500 in 90 days, or the first 90 days of getting the card, or something similar. And so I'm going to be telling you how you can go about doing so without spending any additional money than you would have already been spending. So the aim here is to get the card for free with no annual fees, get the bonus, and also any other rewards that the card comes with for free. So be sure to stick around to the very end of this video so you can get all the details if you want to know how to get the best credit card bonuses. Now, before I go any further, a very quick reminder, if you're new here and you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and here on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, save money, investing, banking, and all things personal finance related. So if these are topics that will interest you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on the notifications when you do so you can get updated of when I post new videos. And I post a new video here every single day on YouTube. And also guys, if you have any topics or just about anything that you would like me to make a video about, just drop me a comment down below with it, especially since I'm posting videos here every single day now and I may be running out of things to talk about or information that you guys may be interested in. So drop all the comments of anything personal finance related that you'd like me to do a video about. So if anything I said before is confusing you, now I'm going to explain. So first of all, let's look at the credit card offers. Now the first credit card to mention here is the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. There is a 60,000 point sign-up bonus, which is worth $750 towards traveling. The card offers a sign-up bonus and also 2 points per dollar spent on all travel and dining at restaurant purchases that you can transfer to airline and hotel partners. The card offers a sign-up bonus and also 2 points per dollar spent on all travel and dining and restaurant purchases that you can then transfer to airline and hotel partners to redeem them. All points are worth 25% more when you redeem travel through Chase Unlimited Rewards. Now, if you want to get this deal, you'll have to spend $4,000 in the first 90 days, and the 90 days is 3 months, so you'll have to spend around $1,300 every month for 3 months to be able to get the sign-up bonus of 60,000 points, which is redeemable for $750 towards traveling expenses. Now, I know you guys get that part, but there's another way to get even more bonus points, or another way to look at this. So let's say you spend that $4,000 in 90 days and you get the 60,000 points. You'll also have received 2 points for every dollar spent, so you would now have an additional 8,000 points because you spent $4,000, which brings your total to 68,000 points. And even then, if you use Chase Unlimited Travel Rewards to redeem these points, then you will get a 25% bonus, which would be 17,000 more points. So at the end of 90 days, when you're ready to redeem the points, you're actually not getting 60,000 points, but 85,000 points. Now, if you prefer cash rewards or a cash bonus instead of travel rewards, then you can also redeem these travel points for cash, so it's a win-win. So 2 points for every dollar spent and then a sign-up bonus in your first 90 days, which is equal to about $900. That's a lot of money for a sign-up bonus on a credit card, but there's a catch. Well, this credit card really doesn't have a catch. The only downside to this card is the annual fee of $95, which won't be bad if you're spending money on this card and getting a lot of points throughout the year. Now, I know you may be more interested in cashback cards because you can just take the cash and do whatever you want with it, unlike a travel rewards card where the points you'll most likely have to use for traveling. And that brings us to the second card that I want to talk about today, which is the Discover It Cashback Credit Card. This one is a little different. What I mean by this is that there is no set cashback or sign-up bonus for this card. Instead, they will simply just match your cashback at the end of the first year. But this is extremely good because this credit card is a 5% cashback credit card. So to figure out how much money you'll earn here or cashback that you'll get, you simply find out how much money you'll spend, and then it's 10% of that up to $1,500 per quarter. So if you use this card throughout the year and you got 5% cash back on all your purchases and you got, let's say, $800 in cash back for the entire year, on your anniversary, you'll receive another $800 in cash back. And what's great here is this cash back can be sent to your bank account for you to spend or withdraw. This card really doesn't have any downsides except the fact that Discover isn't widely accepted outside of the US. In 2020, the 5% cashback bonus quarterly categories are January to March grocery stores, Walgreens and CVS, April to June gas stations, Uber, Lyft and wholesale clubs, July to September restaurants and PayPal, and October to December Amazon.com, Walmart.com, Target.com. Now, you just have to activate the categories each quarter to get the 5% in cashback, which you can do from the app on your cell phone. Any purchases you make outside of that 5% cashback category will still earn you cashback, but at a rate of 1%, so you'll always be getting cashback with this credit card. That 1% is automatic and you don't have to do anything, you're always going to get it. The card also comes with no annual fees, so this one is just a free card that gives you cashback and matches whatever cashback you get in your first year. If you want to sign up for this one, then you can use my link down below and you will receive an additional $50 in statement credit when you sign up for this card. The next credit card I want to talk about is the Capital One Savor Rewards credit card. The Capital One Savor Rewards cashback credit card is a fine diner's dream. It offers a $300 sign-up bonus after you spend $3,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from opening the account. So you'll have to spend $1,000 each month for the first 3 months and you'll get $300, but it doesn't stop there. The card also gives very generous rewards. So on this $3,000 that you'll be spending, you'll also receive 4% cash back on dining and entertainment purchases, 2% cash back at grocery stores, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. So if you use this card just for grocery and dining and entertainment purchases, then you'll get anywhere from $60 to $120 in additional cash back during that time, and that brings your cash back to about $420 or up to $420 at the end of 90 days. Additionally, if you purchase sports, concert, and tickets through Vivid Seats, you can get 8% cash back on those purchases. Now, the downside here is that there is no annual fee for the first year, but on the second year and moving forward, there will be an annual fee of $95. So I want to talk about the annual fees a little now. The credit card that you have in your wallet that charges you annual fees, there's a way to get out of the annual fees and still keep the card, and it's very, very simple. It doesn't always work and you don't always get the fee totally removed, but it does help. All you have to do is call the credit card company and say, hey, I have this credit card from you and I'm paying $95 a year for it, and I just found out that Discover has a similar card with the same amount of cash back and they aren't charging any fees. You have to make the comparison first and ensure you research this and tell them about an actual competitor who has a real card that offers the same or similar rewards without fees. Then you can pop the question, can my fees be waived? Now, oftentimes they may not remove the fee completely, but usually they'll offer you some additional points or cashback, or they may waive it for the next year. So that's another thing that you guys can do to get rid of some of the credit card fees. Now, the next card I want to talk about is one that doesn't have a high spending requirement for you to be able to get the bonus, since the cards I've already mentioned all want you to spend a couple $1,000s in 90 days to get the rewards. And while those rewards may be worth it, if you're not going to be able to spend a couple $1,000s in 90 days, then there are also good cash bonus credit cards that you can get. And that brings us to the next card on the list, which is the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. With this card, you'll earn $200 in cash back after spending just $500 in the first 3 months. So that's only about $170 each month that you'll have to spend for 3 months to be able to get the $200 in cash back. In addition, the card offers 0 APR for 15 months, which you shouldn't use, by the way, but that's also available, and you get a flat rewards of 1.5% on all purchases made with this card. So at the end of 90 days, you'll be spending, or after spending $500, you'll get an additional $7.50, which isn't a lot, but for a smaller rewards credit card, it's one of the better options out there, since it comes with no annual fees and the card is completely free for you to own and use. Now, if you shop at grocery stores that aren't Walmart or Target, then you'll get 5% cash back on those purchases from this card. So if you need a simple rewards credit card, then this one is one of the best options available today. Now, the final card I want to share with you guys is for business owners, especially small business owners. This card is the Capital One Spark Cash for Business. I know I said business owners, but if you're self-employed, then that works too. With this card, you'll get a cash bonus of $500. You'll earn $500 after you spend $4,500 on purchases in the first 3 months. You will also earn an unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase every day, and the rewards never expire. The annual fee is $0 for the first year and then $95 after that. So after spending $4,500, if you're self-employed or a small business owner, you'll get 2% cash back on all those purchases, which comes up to be about $90. So at the end of the 90 days, you'll receive almost $600 in rewards, which is also very high. So these are the cards I recommend to you guys, or recommend that you guys look into this year. Now, just before you go, remember I have a few things to tell you that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. How to get around signing up for the cards if they aren't available in your area, or if the rewards aren't available. So when the credit card companies put their offers out, they target a specific customer base, which could be decided by gender, age, location, and all those factors. So if you get a link and when you click on the link, it doesn't show you the offer that you expected to see, the first thing you can do is to try incognito mode in Google Chrome, which should help you get to the offer, because that's private browsing, so they shouldn't be able to tell your age, gender, and that stuff anymore. However, if you want to get an offer in another state or location, you could use a VPN, which is just a way of getting you the IP address for the location, so you can sign up for that offer. Now, usually one of these two will work. I hope you guys liked the information in this video, and if you'd like to see more videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see new videos that I post. And I post new videos here every single day on YouTube. If you've made it to the end of this video, comment your thoughts down below and any questions you may have. And be sure to drop a like on this video, as it really helps to get this video to more viewers, and I'll really appreciate it. And then guys, remember, I'm searching for more ideas for videos. So if there are any topics that you'd like me to talk about, comment them down below. Also guys, I've left a couple links down below to free stuff, free cashback offers, so be sure to check the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff. If you're a new viewer or subscriber here on the channel, be sure to also check out some of my other videos on high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, and ways that you can use and make some extra money. Also guys, be sure to check out WEBULL, which is a free and easy to use investment app or platform. And by using the link down below and signing up, you'll receive 2 free stocks, which can be valued at over $1,000. And if you like the stocks, you keep them. If you don't like them, you can sell them, keep the cash, or just buy other stocks that you'd prefer to invest in. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.